Hello traders, Gary Wagner here. It is just after 11 o'clock in Honolulu, 5 o'clock in New York. It is Tuesday, 8th day of September, 2015, and this is the Daily Report for Gold and Silver. After a long 3-day weekend, we have the stock market rallying in triple digits once again, and we have really some stagnation in the precious metals markets. First, the gold, down about 70 cents. This is if we look at the COMEX. 1120.70. If we look at the Forex right now, that would put it up. It's trading at 1121.25. So first of all, I do want to apologize for getting this video out a little bit late, but I did have technical difficulties this morning. Still am, as I'm using a backup mic, and that is why the volume levels are a little bit different. We are looking at a 720-minute chart, half-a-day chart, Japanese average format. And right now, we're still pegging our current support, and it's very minor support, but it's support nonetheless, at about 1221. And that's currently where we have this market tracking at. Now, with the equities markets trading as strong as they are, I'm surprised that we aren't seeing this market under more pressure than it is. But in terms of support, my sense is that we're probably going to head lower in gold. If we can't hold this level, of course, the next real level that we want to watch is roughly 1109. Now, in terms of our current location, in terms of a short-term Elliott wave count, the way that I have currently see this count going is that we had our long wave 3 down. This is our wave 4. It's counter wave 4, because we are still in a bear market and a bear count. And from there, we've got this fifth wave down. Now, typically, you have wave 1 and wave 5 pretty much equal themselves. And I think that we might see a play back to about 1080. That's what I think we could, in fact, see if, in fact, we see the stock market continue to gain some momentum and we have a definitive key reversal after having a 10% correction. It wouldn't surprise me one bit to see this market begin to sell off. Now, the other thing that you want to look at, of course, is going to be the industrial metals, because unlike the gold market, the industrial metals are really taking off. Silver, for example, is up about 26 cents on the day. Platinum should also be trading higher. Let's pull that up. That's up about $11. And palladium is up also about $10, just under 600. So really, if we see a continued move in the equities markets and a continued move in the equities markets to the upside, what we probably are going to do is look to sell gold, because I think we'll see that market move lower, and probably go ahead and buy silver. Now, even though I do believe that we will probably see gold head lower, when we look at the 720-minute chart, you do see the first signs of green coming in. You have that pivotal doji candle, and then you get this green candle here. As I said, we are in essence unchanged, up $1 or so to down $1. And what we want to see is how the market reacts at this key level of 1120 to 1122, depending on whether we're looking at COMEX and whether we're looking at the bid or the ask in terms of the market itself. So I want to give it a day. If we see some support come in this market and see this market pop up a little bit, that's one thing. But my sense is that any kind of rally that we see here is probably going to be short-lived at best. And therefore, we are going to wait to see how the market reacts here and look to initiate positions either Wednesday or Thursday. Again, I apologize for the delay and the shortened broadcast today. We will come back tomorrow with a full-length video report. This has been Gary Wagner wishing you, as always, good trading. We'll talk to you tomorrow for another daily update review. Bye-bye.